How to blur video background on TikTok. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. First thing first, you have to launch your TikTok application. Once done, get logged into your specific TikTok account. Now tap onto plus bar icon in order to add a video. As you do so, it will open up your camera. You can tap on this icon and here find a video which you would like to edit. Now, once you have added the video, there is no direct option or the button where you can directly blur the video background. However, you can tap on this sparkling icon and you will see various effects that are similar to blur video. Now, in order to find the blur effect, you have to go on to one by one and see if it matches your expectations or not. If you would like to blur your video immediately, you can also use an application called CapCut. If you would like to do it from TikTok, you have to use a hit and trial method and find out your blur background. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.